When it comes to RVs and camper vans, the United States and Europe usually dominate the conversation, but Japan, with its unique design philosophy and compact lifestyle approach, has introduced something truly special, the Toyota Regard Neo Plus. Nicknamed the Bento Box on wheels, this RV is designed with clever use of space, family comfort, and durability in mind. Built on a Toyota Camroad chassis and developed by LT Campers in collaboration with Yokohama Motor Sales, this Japanese RV proves that compact doesn't mean compromised. At the core of the Regard Neo Plus is Toyota's 2.7-liter inline-four diesel engine, producing 142 horsepower and 300 newton-meters of torque, offering enough muscle to handle family trips with ease. While power might not be its most glamorous feature, the true genius lies in its thoughtful layout and use of space. The Regard Neo Plus can transport up to 9 people during travel, a remarkable feat for its size. Once parked, it transforms into a mobile home that can sleep up to 6 people comfortably. The forward lounge is the heart of the RV, designed with multiple seating options that convert into a sleeping area. The rear features a double bunk system, with the upper bunk large enough for an adult and child, while the lower bunk suits a single sleeper. Adding to the surprise, a drop-down ceiling bed provides even more sleeping capacity, accessible by ladder, making it ideal for family adventures. Beyond the bedding, the interior is fully equipped for everyday living. There's a wet bath, complete with shower and toilet, and a kitchen area featuring essential cooking amenities. Heating and cooling systems ensure comfort in all seasons, making it a year-round travel solution. One of the most impressive aspects of the Regard Neo Plus is its storage innovation. At the rear, the bunks can be flipped up, revealing a massive vertical storage space, essentially a garage within the RV. This allows space for bicycles, kayaks, or even larger gear. With both internal and external access, it makes packing and maintenance far more practical than in many Western RVs of similar size. Durability is another standout feature. The Regard's one-piece molded fiberglass shell ensures excellent resistance to weather, while the one-piece floor construction adds strength and longevity. Fiberglass RVs are known for their resilience, often lasting decades with proper care. This means the Regard Neo Plus isn't just a camper for the moment, but a long-term investment that could be passed down to future generations. Of course, quality comes at a price. In Japan, the current Premium Class 5 package sells for about 14 to 15 million yen, around $100,000. While that might seem steep compared to some American models, it reflects the craftsmanship, durability, and clever design unique to Japanese RV engineering. Importing one to the U.S. poses additional hurdles, particularly due to regulations that limit vehicles under 25 years old. However, for enthusiasts willing to navigate the extra costs, the Regard Neo Plus represents an intriguing alternative to Western RVs. Ultimately, the Toyota Regard Neo Plus shows how Japan applies its cultural values of efficiency, compactness, and practicality into motorhome design. It's small but mighty, offering a surprising amount of living space, family-friendly accommodations, and robust construction. In an industry where bigger often seems better, this Japanese Bento Box RV proves that sometimes the smartest designs come in compact packages.